there faster, it's got to move more in order for this foot to stop. Once this foot stops and hesitates and kind of pivots in the same spot, that's when you can shift the weight backwards and it'll back up. But if it's still moving that way, it's not going to back up. So that's your key. Hindquarter, stop this foot, then take the foot back. And don't get burned. Sun's coming out, but it's still cold. Okay, stop that inside foot. Hindquarter to stop that inside foot. Hey, what are your feet doing? Your feet stopped again. You can see, just like this. Go forward. I already know if I move his hip, this part of his body is going to move away from me. So I got to move towards it and keep up with it. I got to keep up with it. I got to be here to keep up with it. So I can stop that inside foot right there and then take it backwards. But if it goes away from you, you got to catch up to it. If you stop your feet, you'll wind up here. And with him, he'll kind of push you out of the way. So you got to catch up to him. Stop that inside foot. Good, now up. Ask the hip again, stop that foot again. Stop it again. Ask the hip again, stop that inside foot. And then ask backwards. You're close. Ask the hip again. You gotta stay with it. You're not gonna get it the first time. He's confused, you're confused. There you go. Now release him and told me you did it right. You gotta keep going with that. And don't let him go back forward, but keep going, moving that hip, stop that inside foot every single time until you flow into that backup. There, and oh, ask again, hip. Don't release and ask the hip, just go straight for the hip. Hip, hip. Now ask him back. There you go. Right to the hip. Don't release, right to the hip. If you release him, let him go forward. You told him he did it right. And he's going to continue to just stop and then go back forward. So, go ahead and ask the hip again. Hip is the direction. That was good. Try again. What are you doing, Sonia? Go for the hip. Stop that inside foot. Then ask back. Good.